all the planning, and yeah, no video. So yeah, I'm back here in the garage right now. I'm trying to communicate to you because the thing is, I haven't been a good boy. I haven't been putting up vlogs. I keep on saying I'm gonna put up vlogs and everything else and blah blah blah. Anyway, it's not that easy, as you all know, and yeah, I keep on running out of ideas. And whenever I do weddings, I want to do vlogs also. So I try to start filming prior to today, and then yeah, I end up not finishing it because what happens is I just put my hands on deck and start shooting all the day. All the way, all the way, all the day, all the way. I start shooting for the whole day. So yeah, I stop filming myself because yeah, I'm very busy. Like when you shoot weddings, you're alone. It's not like back in the Philippines you're so spoiled. You can have some assistants with you. Like if you're a photographer, you can have an assistant to carry your stuff. You can have an assistant to give you the SD card. You have an assistant to back up your files if you want to do a same day edit and everything else. In here, labor is so expensive that we have to do the shoot alone. We only do two photographers if the client insists that there's a same day edit, or if the client has two things happening at the same time, which is yeah, the groom and the bride starts the time for taking photos starts together. So that's what happens. Yeah, that's it. Also, one update, I love my A7C for travel, for videos like this, vlogs and everything else, and I got the A1 because I was thinking it's the main camera. It's the powerful, it's top of the line, and I can just bash it. You know, I can use it for vlogs, but yeah, I tried to shoot a one wedding with it or two, and the files with 50 megapixels is so big, and then comes when the price sinks in, and it's an expensive camera. You just don't want to bash it around. So yeah, this one went back to my hard case, and I was using the A7C more. I'm using the FX3 for videos, and I'm using my two A9s for photography. So yeah, I still love this camera. Love the colors, love how fast it is, and I haven't used it to its full potential. I haven't people shoot birds. I try to shoot birds, but I get impatient and shot no birds at all. Yeah, but either way, we'll try to do more. Maybe. Yeah, I think I might try within 4 more months after, because the thing is, I'm very busy with uni right now. I'm doing my last semester, hopefully, fingers crossed, for information technology. So yeah, that's it. I'm just back here just saying hi to you again, because yeah, I have a lot of files there upstairs, and I tend to say, yeah, I'm gonna do it later, and like they go stale. Like all the videos I have I'm supposed to upload the day after, and it goes stale. Yeah. I think I just uploaded the part 2 of my Gold Coast video, because I'm gonna edit it after this, and I'm gonna upload it before this one. But yeah, just uploaded it. But yeah, that's it. I just need some idea with you guys what type of videos is more good, is more fun, and it's not hard to do. I'm so lazy. Anyway, I'm just saying hi to you guys, and I miss you all. Hope we can interact more, and hope we'll have more fun, more travels, all those. Anyway, gotta stop blabbering now, and yeah, just telling you guys, hope you're fine out there, hope you're good. If you have problems, if you have things that are bothering you, you can talk to me, talk to your friends. But yeah, that's it. Just saying hi. Oh yeah, one more thing I forgot. Yeah, my mind drifts somewhere, but yeah, I love my A7C, but it's out for repair right now. I just realized that the shutter button has problems. There's an issue with the initial one, and right now when I try to take a photo, there's a lag. I thought it was just like a camera, because my A9 is so fast. So I tried to press the button, and there's a lag. Like, yeah, just fine. And later on, I found the lag a bit too long for a lag with that type of camera, and I saw in forums that yeah, there's an issue with that, so I had it sent for repair. Hopefully warranty covers it, and we're fine. But yeah, it has delays, and when you do the track focusing, like soft press, try to track, and once you press the button, it disconnects it cuts the tracking. So it feels like the goodness, the shutter button is like cutting, like connection is cutting. So yeah, that's what happened. Anyway, got it for repair. I think I have video. I can link the video down below for the one I sent to the shop to repair it. But yeah, A7C issue. That's it. I gotta stop blabbering now.